In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client proposal in Prezi. Whether you're pitching to a potential client or formalizing a project presentation, Prezi offers a dynamic platform to create engaging and visually compelling proposals. So, let's dive right in and explore the step-by-step process to craft a stunning proposal using Prezi. To start, log into your Prezi account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up first, but for those of you ready to go, head straight to your dashboard where you'll start a new presentation. This is your blank canvas where all the magic will happen. Once you hit the New Presentation button, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Prezi offers a wide range of professional business templates. Browse through these and pick one that best aligns with the style and tone of your proposal. A good template will not only reflect your brand's creativity, but also enhance the clarity of your message. With your template in place, it's time to add the main topic. This will serve as the focal point of your presentation, so make it count by entering the client's name or the project title here. This personalized touch immediately communicates that this proposal was crafted specifically for them, setting a professional tone right from the start. Next, you'll want to structure your presentation into clear, organized sections. Create subtopics for the key components of your proposal: the problem statement, proposed solution, timeline, and pricing. This layout ensures you address all critical areas your client will be concerned about, in a logical sequence that's easy to follow. As we move forward, remember that visuals are your best friend in any presentation. Integrate images, diagrams, and examples into your proposal. These elements help to illustrate your points more vividly and can transform abstract concepts into something more tangible for your audience. A well-placed image or diagram can often communicate what pages of text might struggle to convey. For finer details like costs, deliverables, or project timelines, make sure to use charts or tables. Prezi gives you the flexibility to insert these directly into your presentation, fostering a transparent and straightforward manner of conveying detailed information. This visual clarity not only keeps your client engaged, but also aids their understanding of the proposal's intricacies. An integral part of using Prezi is leveraging its unique zooming feature. Apply zooming paths in your presentation to create a dynamic flow, guiding your client through your proposal step by step. This method enhances engagement, maintaining the viewer's focus as you transition smoothly from one point to the next. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to crafting a client proposal in Prezi. By following these steps, you'll create a proposal that's not only professional in appearance, but also captivating in delivery. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.